Hey traders, it's Alberto, and this is another tutorial on the X-Brain indicator. And just wanted to show you how powerful this indicator can be when things do line up. Um, I'm looking for at least 2 to 3 time frames that are showing me either a sell or a buy. And in this case, we're looking for buying opportunities. Notice a double bottom here on Australian dollar. I'm sorry, Aussie Canadian dollar on the weekly chart. Daily chart, also in an uptrend. 4-hour chart shows it's in an uptrend, and the 1-hour chart as well. So I go to my chart, and I also notice that we have what is called a King's Crown, a trend line break. So a lot of confirmation for the Australian dollar, and I'm going to take this all the way up to 93. Okay, another trade is the pound Canadian dollar. So the pound Canadian dollar, notice the X-Brain indicator giving us go ahead to buy. Channel direction is up and main trend is up. The daily chart, the main trend is up, even though the channel direction is down. Does not matter as long as the trend is up on a daily, 4-hour, and the 1-hour chart. And I go to my chart and pull up pound Canadian. And we have a major trend line break, an A, B, and C pattern that's been complete, and our target is all the way up there. Okay. So there you have it. If you're interested in purchasing the X-Brain indicator, the link is below this YouTube video. Have a good trading week. Thanks for watching.